Thinking about starting your own private home care provider agency in Georgia? Well, 2025 just changed the game. Here's exactly how to get licensed the right way with Georgia's new GALES system. A private home care provider, or PHCP, offers non-medical help in someone's home. Things like bathing, meal prep, light housekeeping, companionship, and transportation. And here's why this matters. Georgia has over 1.6 million residents aged 65 and older. That's a huge and growing need for quality home care. If you've got the passion and the right paperwork, this is a meaningful and profitable business opportunity. Here's the update. Georgia no longer uses the old GAMIS portal for PHCP applications. As of 2025, everything runs through GALES Georgia Healthcare Licensing, Enforcement, and Surveys. That's where you'll create your account, upload documents, pay your fees, and track your license status. And trust me, getting familiar with this portal early will save you weeks of delays. Here's the quick roadmap. Step 1. Submit your application through GALES with your $250 per service fee. Services include companion sitting, personal care, and nursing. You can pick one or more. Step 2. Get your fingerprint-based background checks done through GC Checks. This applies to all owners with 10% or more interest, plus your administrator. Step 3. Upload your required documents, notarized affidavits, your business license, RN and administrator records, and proof you have at least 2 staff members ready to start. Yes, even if you're only offering non-medical services, you still need an RN in your organizational plan. Step 4. Prepare for your on-site inspection. That means policies, staff files, training materials, and service protocols ready to show. Starting a PHCP in Georgia isn't just about filling out forms. It's about building trust, providing care, and meeting a real need in your community. With the new GALES system, the process is clearer, but only if you're prepared. So get your documents in order, get your RN lined up, and take that first step toward your own licensed agency. Need a complete guide for step-to-step instructions? Check the link below to book a call with carepolicy.us, and let's get you licensed in 2025.